Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alina and today we're going to crochet our very first makeup item together. Well, not mine exactly, but a kid's makeup. And it's going to be an eyeshadow palette. I'll show you how to make the little squares, and then you can arrange them however you like. You can make your palette bigger if you want. The eyeshadows can be round. They don't have to be square or even rectangular if you prefer. All right, let's get started. We'll begin with a magic ring. Into the magic ring, make 8 single crochets. Finish each round with 1 slip stitch and 1 chain stitch. Let's move on to round number 2. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, make 3 single crochets and repeat this all the way around. Now, round number 3. In the first 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. In the third stitch, make 3 single crochets. In the next 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. Then again 3 single crochets into the next stitch. Continue the same pattern 3 single crochets, then again 3 single crochets into the next stitch. In the next 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. Then again 3 single crochets into the next stitch. We're left with the last stitch. Right where the stitch marker is, make 1 single crochet there. That's because we started with only 2 single crochets. Don't forget to skip the chain stitch and make 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. And that's it done. Now you can make as many colors as you like, just like this. Now let's make the makeup brush. Start with a magic ring again. Into the ring, make 4 single crochets. Then 1 slip stitch and 1 chain stitch. For round 2, make an increase in every stitch, so 2 single crochets in each stitch. Rounds 3 and 4. Work 8 single crochets in each round. I'll see you at round number 5. I've finished. And here we'll change the yarn color. I'm using dark blue because I already have a light blue one. You can choose any color you have at home. I finished with a single crochet. Skip 1 stitch and make a slip stitch. But this time, use the new color yarn, then make 1 chain stitch. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, decrease. In the following stitch, 1 single crochet. And in the next, decrease again. Then 1 last single crochet at the end. Finish with 1 slip stitch. Now rounds 6 through 12. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. End every round with 1 slip stitch and 1 chain stitch. Continue like this until you reach round 12. And the brushes are done. Now we'll make the last part, which is the black handle. Make 30 chain stitches. Now, crochet single crochets all the way along. When you reach the end, make 1 chain stitch, turn your work, and continue with single crochets again until the end. In total, make 14 rows. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'd be so happy if you leave me a like, maybe a comment, and share the video with others. Take care, and see you next time. Bye.